Okay, today with Petro, we're going to change the battery out of my 68 Chevelle Super Sport. It's been winter, so it's been sitting for a little while, and it looks like the battery's dead. So I went out and I got a new battery, and now we're going to change the battery and see if we can get this thing to start. In the winter, it's nice and cold. These cars love to start when it's cold. So let's get this battery changed to get this bad boy started. Ugh, pull that up. Look at that big boy motor there. Here's the other battery. I gotta get these things off. There's one of those. Okay, I'll get this off. Oh, they're good. Okay, there's one. There's two. Got a handle on this thing. Yep. These batteries are heavy as hell. Put down the ground. Get this one. Flip it around. Put her in. Let's go ahead and lock her in there. Okay, that's in there pretty secure. Now let's see if she'll start. I gotta walk around. I haven't cleaned my garage in a while, but let's see if she'll start right up. There's the key. Oh, it's cold. Okay, sounds great. Let smoke come out. Let her idle for a little bit. Yeehaw! We got her started. Let's probably got some old gas in there. I'm gonna need to run her out. Okay, shutter. Ugh. Okay, shut down. Okay, let's back her up slowly. Gave her a little hose off with some water. Got some dust. Drive her around the block and see how she's run. Smoking a little bit out of the back. I can hear it exhaust leak. But sounds all right. Sounds pretty good for sitting for a while. Let's give her a drive around the block. Okay, let's get her on the road. Riding down the road. I love these old Tennessee roads. They're perfect to get in your old car, your old Chevy, and just haul ass. There's nobody out here. You can just drive around and just haul ass and do what you want and have a bunch of fun. I love these Tennessee roads. I tell you, there's nothing like driving this car. This car is so fun to drive. These beautiful old Tennessee roads. Now you can see how these are fun because you get these turns, small little roads. You got a beautiful, beautiful view of everything. Really awesome. Okay, we'll let them rip right here a little bit. Yo! Skirt! I go fishing over there underneath the bridge. Go. We don't stop. We don't stop. And that's pretty much it. That's how you change a battery in a 1968 Chevelle. She's idling a little high, so I want to go and tweak on that and work on that a little bit. But other than that, she's running good. Just needed a battery. Lots of fun. 1968 Chevelle Super Sport Petro. It's mine.